Okay, so we're basically now going to explore more of the modules. What we want to do is basically come back to our app.js. We're just going to basically comment all the code out, which we have, and then up under that, we're going to go ahead and create an array. So what we're going to do is basically start off with const because it's not going to change. And we're going to call this array app and set it equal to the colors of the apples. And once we have the colors, we're going to go ahead and basically console.log them to the terminal. There are several methods we can use with the console. We can use .log to print the messages to the terminal, .assert to print a message to the terminal if the value is falsely, and .table to print out a table in the terminal. So let's get started. Alright, first one is going to be console.log. One is going to be console.table, basically putting our variable name inside the parentheses. And the next one, we're going to see if the length is greater than 6. Once we have those, we can save our file. Go back over to our terminal. Since we're still running Node over here, all we have to do is type in app.js. Press Control C, node app.js. Alright, so you see we have our colors, have our array of colors printed out at the top, and our table printed out, and our assertion was failed because the array is actually not greater than 5. So if we change our arrow sign around and press save and run the program again, see if we get the same message. Press up on our keyboard and we can run the same command. And as you can see here, the assertion failed is no longer existing. So that's how you test it out.